At MYER, we design, we fabricate, we machine, and we do field install on large-scale industrial equipment. Our clientele consists of dredging operations, construction, bridge building, to aerospace, chemical plants. We consider ourselves the leader in steel fabrication in Mobile. My two boys that work side by side with me, I have the most pride in. We started this company in 2013 with 5 guys in the back of a pickup truck to now we're north of 200 employees. Every year we've had record growth. We're constantly expanding. We reinvest in our company and in our people. About 4 years ago, we rebranded to MYER Companies. There's 4 companies under that umbrella: MYER Marine and Manufacturing, MYER Industries, MYER Services. Lastly, we have MYER Products. We've had many multi-million-dollar expansions, the latest one being our state-of-the-art indoor blast and paint facility. The dredging work that just took place to deepen in our channel, we built a lot of the equipment that those dredging companies use. You've got the Mobile Bridge job coming up, so as Mobile grows, we're growing with them. The customers we have come back to us. They know we're reliable. They know we're going to be on time, do a good job. People will come back.